Yeah, today it was a good day. Sengibizele meeting lena. Bani impimpi lapha phakathi kwethu? Amahata libela ngibuza ipasi neyipesheni. Bani impimpi lapha phakathi kwethu guys? Khulumani, ngasabi. Phela siyi4 la. So nomuntu okus5 outsider owaziyo ngebhizinisi lethu. Bani ongakhona ukuvala umlomo? Upepezayo, yapepereza nje. Fa. So staple fast. Khuluma nami, relaxani. Relaxani ngathi sisalon. Talk to me guys. Ngabe khona owazi wena Maluda Beverage khona okwaziyo boy? Shalazela kangaka ngathi khona into oyaziyo wena. Ipedophile amfase lapho simtorture ngathi khona into ayaziyo lo. Snitch. You know that snitches get stitches, right? I'm gonna deal with you. Because yabonakala wena ukuthi khona into oyaziyo. Oh, I'll go and ask the cop back before ngizinikela ukuthi usebenzisana nobani, and I'll make sure ukuthi watholakala ukuthi uwe, I'll kill you and your fucking family. Futhi ngizwile ukuthi email yakho inomoya esiswini. Obvious Holy Spirit naye zoba qhaqha wethu ne unborn baby le ezayo ngiphezulu.